Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to split a video in CapCut. So in order to do that, I'm going to select this new project button right here, and I'm going to select the video that I want to use for this tutorial. Okay, so now I am in my phone gallery right here, and let's say I want to use this video in order to split that, and I'm going to add the video to my project in CapCut, and this may take some time, so I'm going to come back when this is done. Okay, so now as you can see, the video has been added to my timeline, and I can scroll to the video, and as you can see right here, there is a vertical bar, and let's say if I want to split the video right here, I'm going to put this bar right where I want to split the video, and I'm going to hit edit, and then of course I'm going to select split. So right here I can split the video here. Just a moment. Okay, so basically this is where I want to split this video, and now I can just take this part and I can scroll and move it where I want. If I want to split this video again, let's say I can just scroll where I want to split that, and then I can split again right here. So this is all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.